Hey everyone, today is Thursday, December 22nd, and first chart we're going to look at is the E-mini S&P 500 March futures. And this chart should be pretty self-explanatory. We're still within this range of the symmetrical triangle, and we're slowly approaching the resistance line up here, which has contained the past previous four highs right here, here, and here. So whether or not we can break above this area will probably determine a significant new up or down leg, which would happen if we broke down here for the down leg. And if we look at an intraday 30-minute chart, we're going to want to hold this. If we add all of these light blue volume profiles down here, we'd get a composite volume profile. And basically that's just another fancy word for saying support. So we're going to want to hold all of this support down here. And if we find sellers and do not break above this resistance of the symmetrical triangle, we're going to want to hold here for another chance to maybe rally up again through that. If not, and we break below this support, then we're probably going to head straight to the support on the symmetrical triangle. And whether or not we break below that is anybody's guess. If we look over at the euro, we can see that we actually retraced up to this resistance right here and found sellers. And right now we're sort of just flagging, sort of inching our way back up here. And whether or not we see some more volatility to the downside is anybody's guess, but it seems likely. The euro broke this significant trend line just recently, and we retraced back up to it, so the euro is looking pretty bearish right now. Another interesting chart is the 20-year T-bonds via TLT ETF. As you can see right here, we're right at a confluence of support, and if we break below here, then it'll further confirm the bullish move for equity bulls. However, I could see us just consolidating our way, directionless, with low volatility, and that would just mean another painful whipsaws and churning for equity traders via the S&P. So this is a chart that we're going to want to look out for, whether or not we can hold this support. And I expect tomorrow to be a quiet day in the markets. I wouldn't really expect us to have a very strong volatile day breaking that resistance on the S&P 500, but who knows, anything can happen. Just want to point out what to look for. Thanks everybody, have a good night.